Hi everyone, I'm Harleen from the marketing team at AdYogi, and joining me today is Ketki, team lead innovation at AdYogi. With the 2024 festive season fast approaching, running a successful sales event requires a strategic planning and meticulous execution for e-commerce marketers preparing for the most lucrative time of the year. In today's discussion, we'll walk you through the right planning and strategies involved in running a successful event for your e-commerce brand. So, Kate, what strategies can brands employ to boost their sales and ROAS this festive season?
Firstly, I feel to achieve a successful sale, we need to strategically plan and execute across multiple phases. Let's start talking about brand planning first. It's crucial to create a compelling offer that stands out. Like one of our top skincare brand that built an immense anticipation by keeping their sale offer at like a secret till the launch day, while simultaneously creating a buzz across all their channels. This is a prime example of an effective brand planning. Additionally, using urgent sounding sale names like Rakhi Special or a limited period sale or something like that can really help significantly boost the interest. Next, we need to consider an entire customer journey, I believe. This means targeting potential customers while simultaneously re engaging your existing ones. By utilizing various marketing channels, we can effectively reach customers at every stage, from initial interest to a repeat purchases, I feel.
Got it. So, Ketki, we talked about how it's crucial for brands to create a compelling offer or run sale events to create a buzz across all channels. But how can brands make the most out of this festive season without running any sale or discounts?
I think that's a really interesting question. For me, I feel launching a new collection tied to a festive season can be a really powerful strategy to capture your customers' attention. Imagine unveiling like a fresh line of products with a celebrity or an influencer endorsement. That really helps, I believe. This combination can generate significant organic buzz as well. Additionally, Adyogi has some features like catalog overlays where you can tag a creative product on a product level and showcase different offers and promotion, further enhancing that campaign's impact. I would say, discounts or not, you can still plan a successful event to leverage this festive season.
So, we discussed how it's important for the brands to create an organic buzz before any events and how they can do the same. But what is the optimal length of an event to maximize sales and customer engagement, and how can a brand determine the same?
Right. I believe a shorter sale duration can be highly effective. I recommend running sales for about 3 to 4 days to create like a strong sense of urgency while still giving customers enough time to consider their purchases. Building an anticipation through a pre-bus sale is quite essential in a shorter period of time. Consider allocating at least 5% in doing of your budget in doing a middle funnel campaign to achieve that target for a desired audience. However, a shorter sales, I would believe, is the way to forward to have that urgency plus consideration at a mix.
So, Ketki, I'm sure past event findings can definitely give brands an edge to create, better engagement and better sales during the festive season for the upcoming years. But how can brands successfully leverage data for these events?
Oh, interesting. There are a lot of insights that you can drive from your last previous maybe sale or a customer data that you might hold. Let's talk about maximizing your customer potential that you already have. Nurturing existing customers with exclusive offers through CRM is definitely going to help during a sale time. We can then expand our reach to by creating that lookalike audiences based on these high value customers. To optimize your ad spend, let's leverage data as well. By analyzing your past sale performance, and we can identify peak sale times, allocating more budget, more type of creatives, or that a special impact on those specific hours for these high performing hours can significantly boost your ROI.
So by now we know that the festive season is packed with shopping events happening one after another, and the shopping craze keeps the people on their toes. So let's hear about some important checklist pointers for e-commerce brands to gain a competitive edge during this festive season.
Yes, so a planning and a checklist is, I am a fan of that. So personally for me, I maintain like different checklists for different type of occasions, whether it be a sale event or something very specific coming for the brand. To wrap up, let's emphasis on the critical role of creatives in a sales success. Strong visuals can absolutely make or break a campaign, especially in those final crucial hours. And clear communication of your offer is very essential. Whether it be buy one, get one, flat 50%, or anything for that matter, it has to be on the face of the creatives. Everyone should know about what exactly is the timeline of the sale. These all, of course, I cannot let people know through a video for that matter. That is why our creative speaks the entire offer and everything of that particular brand. So like as I mentioned, a thorough planning is the key. I recommend starting your planning at least 2 weeks in advance to allow like ample time for your crm, your creative development, your campaign strategy, all of this to fall into one place. Timing is everything. Oh, absolutely true. Timing is everything. Considering aligning your sale with your payday or something where you feel that, for example, Rakhi is just around the corner, and if I'm just doing a sale at the time of Rakhi, might not have the same impact as what I can get around 5 days before that. Just because they might be shopping for Rakhi 5 days prior, right? That they get all of these things on the festive occasion. So planning, aligning your dates, everything is very important. Also, in all of this, to optimize your Google campaigns, it's really important to create dedicated sale campaigns and leverage the promotion tags as well. And on the meta part, do your mid funnels and all of these in prior to create that buzz as well. Lastly, harness the power of our automation tools at Adyogi to make like real time adjustments and maximize your sale potential. Just because you might not be available every time, these automations really help in getting those product or your budgets in line in terms of efficiency at that particular time on a real time basis. So that's what I would like to say. Create a checklist of your own. I believe that every brand has their own methodology to start with an event or a season, how they want to do it. However, I believe planning, with the right planning and the creatives, everything should fall into place for you.
But it's pretty insightful. So this that was all from my end, Keitli. As the festive season approaches, I'm pretty sure that these insights will provide a roadmap for e-commerce brands to plan their events better and definitely gain success during this festive season. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much.